when you're accurate.
Several religions, the most important religious celebration in the region is the Feast of Our Lady of Penfrancia. One of the most important parts of the celebration is the jovial procession. This one is a procession along the Bicol. So, ang ilang procession is through the Bicol River. Okay, the image of Our Lady of Penfrancia is placed on the largest and most colorful boat, and it's accompanied by so this one is on this one is on a very colorful boat. Take a look at the people. The importance of Bicolanos believe